All right, so let's give it up for Miss Chukwu. That's right, give it up for her. Miss Chukwu. All right, so thanks a lot, Miss Chukwu, for sending your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day. All right, so Miss Chukwu, you guys ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. So Miss Chukwu, Mme means like to do, basically, or doing, doings, kind of like, you know, just like deeds or something like that, you know what I'm saying? Or to do, like actions. So means like only, you get what I'm saying? It means like only or solely, like only basically. Miso, ma means good, right? And Chukwu means God. So you put all that together and you get Miso ma Chukwu, which basically means God's goodness. So the true essence of that name can only really be like, I guess, really fully understood in Igbo, but the way it kind of breaks down and comes together is, you know, Miso ma Chukwu, like only doing the good things of God, or only the good things of God, or the good deeds of God, or only do the good deeds of God, or, you know, or only focusing on and seeing God's goodness, his good deeds. You get what I'm saying? Miso ma Chukwu. Miso ma Chukwu, God's goodness. Miso ma Chukwu's names give them the power to always see the goodness in others. They're very sociable and they're giving. Tag and share this video with all the Misomas or the Miso ma Chukwus that you know. Thanks. Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Ndo Jinilo don't know Wakwe zone.
Yeah.
Alright, so what do you think of that name? Did I get the translation right? Would you like a name just like that? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. So if you'd like a name just like that, hit me up in my Instagram DM. It's linked in the comments below. If you would like an Igbo name, or let's say maybe you're expecting a child and you would like to give them a name from the ancestors, a name that has a meaning of God behind it, some spirituality kind of imbued in the essence of that name, let me know. If you have you kind of like your own concept in mind for the type of name you would like to give your child, let me know too, and I can give you the closest matching Igbo name to that. If you would like a name for yourself also, just hit me up on my Instagram DM and just tell me a few things about yourself. I'll ask you some questions and I'll give you a matching Igbo name for you, right? And if you are Igbo, I can feature your name on the Igbo Name of the Day. Let me know in the Instagram, you know, in my DM below or in the comment section, either one. If you'd like to send me a private message, obviously, you know, you could just DM me. And so yeah, if I'm giving you an Igbo name, I will feature that name that I'm going to give you on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway playlist. And this very playlist, which is the Igbo Name of the Day, if you are Igbo by association, marriage, friends, family, whatever, culture, blood, I can feature your Igbo name on this playlist, the Igbo Name of the Day. So if you like watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like watching this video, then just tap it really lightly instead for me, all right? Subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit that bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video. It could be the video that I make for you next, right? All of your engagement on this YouTube channel helps the YouTube algorithm recommend these videos to more people who are just like you, who might be interested in Igbo Nigerian names and African culture, right? So if you're really interested in Igbo names, African culture, feel free to hit me up for one. In our culture, we believe that whenever someone speaks your name, you're kind of speaking the essence and the goodness of that name into existence. So if there's anything you'd like to speak into your life or into your child's life, let me know and I can give you an Igbo name for that. We believe that the power and the blessings behind that name are being released every time someone says that name. And so you're just walking in greatness anytime someone says your name. It's already built into it. So whenever someone calls your name, they're blessing you. Keep watching to the end of this video and you'll probably see another video on this topic or in this theme, you know, Igbo names. You might see a video suggested for photography because I also do photography. Thanks a lot. I appreciate your support of this YouTube channel and I will see you in the next video.